PayPal's one-time password, or OTP, is a crucial security layer that helps protect your account. If you're not receiving it, this video will guide you through the fixes. We'll explore common causes, step-by-step solutions, and preventative measures based on the latest PayPal security protocols as of February 2026. OTP stands for One-Time Password. It's a temporary, unique code that can only be used once and expires quickly. This infographic shows how OTPs work, including their delivery methods like SMS and email, and their advantages for security. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a security method that requires two forms of verification: something you know, like your password, and something you have, like an OTP. This infographic explains what 2FA is, how it protects accounts, and why it's important for security. For PayPal, OTP enables two-factor authentication by providing the something you have factor. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone knows your password. This flowchart shows the 2FA process, including how OTP fits into the verification steps for accessing your account. PayPal encourages activating 2FA, as shown here with the activation prompt on the app. Network or carrier issues are a common reason for OTP delivery failure. These include poor cellular signal, carrier message filters that block SMS, or regional telecom outages that prevent messages from reaching your device. Outdated contact information in your PayPal account can cause OTP delivery to fail. If your phone number or email address is incorrect or has changed, the OTP won't reach you. Additionally, messages might end up in spam or junk folders. Device problems can also prevent OTP delivery. This includes app crashes or glitches in the PayPal app, battery saving modes that disable notifications, or older operating systems that aren't compatible with the latest updates. PayPal's security filters can block OTP delivery as a safety measure. If the system detects suspicious activity, such as unusual login attempts, it may delay or prevent the OTP from being sent to protect your account from potential fraud. If you haven't received the OTP, look for the Didn't Receive Code link on the PayPal login screen. This appears during the two-factor authentication process, usually after entering your password. Tap it to request a new OTP to be sent to your registered phone number or email. PayPal allows up to 5 resend attempts per session to help overcome temporary delivery issues. If SMS delivery consistently fails, don't worry. PayPal offers alternative channels for receiving your one-time passwords. When you see an error like this indicating the OTP didn't arrive via SMS, it's time to explore other options. PayPal provides 2 main alternatives: receiving OTPs via email or through push notifications in the PayPal app. To switch channels, navigate to your account's security settings. Here you can choose how you want to receive your OTPs. As an emergency option, enable backup codes in your PayPal settings. These are one-time use codes you can generate and save securely. Backup codes work similarly to regular OTPs, providing a reliable fallback when primary methods fail. Remember to enable these alternative channels and backup codes in your PayPal account's security settings for uninterrupted access. When troubleshooting PayPal OTP delivery issues, start by checking your device's settings that might affect the app's functionality. First, clear the PayPal app's cache and data. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted temporary files. Go to your device's app settings, find PayPal, and select Storage or Clear Cache and Clear Data options. Next, ensure the PayPal app has necessary notification permissions enabled. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, PayPal, Permissions, and allow notifications. On iPhone, go to Settings, Notifications, PayPal, and enable alerts. Finally, temporarily disable any VPNs you're using, as they can interfere with OTP delivery by routing traffic through different servers. Turn off your VPN app or connection and try receiving the OTP again. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and still aren't receiving OTPs, contact PayPal support. Use the live chat feature on the PayPal website or submit a support ticket with detailed information and device logs. Be prepared to verify your identity. To prevent OTP delivery issues, regularly update your contact information within your PayPal account to ensure codes reach you. Opt for the PayPal app-based OTP delivery method, as it's generally more reliable than SMS and less prone to carrier delays. Enable account alerts to get notified of any unauthorized login attempts. allowing you to respond quickly to potential security threats. PayPal is actively testing passwordless authentication methods to enhance security and user experience. One innovative approach is silent OTPs, which use device proximity to verify your identity without requiring manual code entry. When your phone and another trusted device are close together, the system automatically authenticates you, making transactions faster and more secure. Biometric authentication is also becoming increasingly popular, integrating features like Face ID for quick and reliable verification. By early 2026, 40% of PayPal users had opted for biometric methods, reflecting the growing trust in these advanced security features. Increased reliance on AI can lead to false positives, where legitimate users are incorrectly flagged, causing OTP blocks. If this happens to you, contact PayPal support immediately to verify your identity. During a major telecom outage in India in 2025, PayPal users experienced a 70% OTP non-receipt rate. PayPal's AI rerouting system diverted codes to the app, resolving 85% of the cases, highlighting the importance of multi-channel OTP options. In 2025, a US-based seller's account was targeted by hackers. OTP delays flagged the attempt, and PayPal's system automatically locked the account. This prevented $50,000 in potential losses. The seller was able to regain access using biometric verification. Cybersecurity analysts emphasize that OTP is a critical component of secure commerce, providing an essential layer of protection against unauthorized access. However, experts warn against relying solely on SMS for OTP delivery due to significant vulnerabilities. One major risk is SIM swapping attacks, where fraudsters trick carriers into transferring your phone number to a new SIM card, intercepting your OTP codes. To future-proof your security, cybersecurity experts recommend diversifying OTP methods, including app-based notifications, email, and hardware keys. PayPal reports that 1 in 10 login attempts trigger OTP issues, with 80% resolved through self-service. A 2026 survey shows that 65% of global e-commerce users prefer app-based OTP over SMS for reliability. Enhanced OTP security measures have significantly reduced fraud losses for PayPal users. Since 2024, fraud losses have dropped by 25% due to these improvements. This decline is attributed to advanced security features that better protect user accounts from unauthorized access. User satisfaction reflects this success, with 92% of users rating PayPal's OTP system as effective after the 2025 updates. The EU's Digital Services Act is pushing telecom regulations to ensure more reliable SMS delivery for services like OTP authentication. This law aims to improve communication standards across Europe. However, while SMS reliability improves, the industry is moving towards app-based OTP as the primary channel. This provides better security against interception and more consistent delivery. Looking ahead, PayPal is committed to enhancing security as technology evolves. By 2027, the company plans to make multi-factor authentication the default for all accounts, ensuring every login and transaction requires that extra layer of verification. A major focus will be implementing quantum-resistant one-time passwords. As quantum computing advances, it could potentially crack traditional encryption methods. So PayPal is preparing OTP systems that can withstand these future threats. To make this transition smoother, AI assistants within the PayPal app are expected to resolve half of all OTP-related support inquiries automatically, providing instant help and reducing user frustration. These advancements represent PayPal's proactive approach to staying ahead of emerging security challenges, combining cutting-edge technology with user-friendly solutions. The industry is exploring blockchain-based OTP alternatives, which could potentially integrate with PayPal's crypto features launched in 2024, offering even more secure and decentralized authentication methods. Blockchain technology uses a distributed ledger where each block contains transaction data linked in an immutable chain. For OTP systems, this means authentication codes are stored across multiple nodes, making them resistant to hacking and centralized failures. PayPal already supports cryptocurrency features, as shown in this promotional image. Blockchain-based OTP could seamlessly integrate with these crypto wallets, using smart contracts to generate and verify one-time passwords. Key benefits include decentralization for enhanced security, immutable records that prevent tampering, and potential integration with PayPal's existing crypto infrastructure for a unified authentication experience. This emerging trend represents the future of secure authentication, combining blockchain's robustness with PayPal's user-friendly platform. In 2024, a major phishing wave swept through Europe, where thousands of PayPal users were targeted with spoofed SMS messages that prevented them from receiving legitimate OTP codes. PayPal responded quickly with mandatory app upgrades to enhance security features and launched widespread education campaigns to help users identify and avoid phishing attempts. These measures proved effective, reducing similar phishing incidents by 60% in 2025. To ensure you receive your PayPal OTPs, keep your contact information updated. Prefer app-based OTP delivery for more reliable reception. Troubleshoot your device settings, including notifications and app permissions. Understand the role of AI in modern security to appreciate how it helps detect and resolve issues. If problems persist, always contact PayPal support for assistance. As a final tip, stay vigilant against phishing. Never share your OTP with anyone. PayPal will never ask you for your OTP directly. Be wary of suspicious emails or messages asking for your login credentials. If you suspect phishing, report it to PayPal immediately.